Now I'm gonna open this and see how it looks inside. Oh, already sauce already. So it's all you need to is to microwave. This is how it looks inside. And this is the mala flavor. Oh, when you open it, it already smells those mala taste already. It's very strong. So all you need to do is microwave it 3 minutes and we'll try. Oh, my nose is about to sneeze. So this is the white sauce, not spicy. They come with rice cake and the fish cake. Same as here, rice cake and fish cakes. And this little white cake is very stuffed. So even though you look a little, but if you finish eating them, it's gonna be very stuffed, very full. Okay, so this is the tteokbokki. I think I should try the carbonara first because this is not spicy. If I try this, it's gonna be overwhelmed the taste. I cannot even taste this at all. So let's give it a try. I did just microwave and that's it, nothing else. Tastes good. Very soft. And the fish is good too. It's a thin slice of fish right here. So this is the Korean style of rice cake if you're eating on this. It's kind of part of the street food style. Very soft. It's very good, not spicy, like typical. I would say it's not really fully carbonara, just creamy sauce and that's it. So this carbonara is very creamy. I would feel like more like milk and heavy cream. You don't see bacon. I see a little salt there, but it don't taste like bacon or ham there. So no, it's not spicy. Just like think of a Italian white pasta, those kind of flavor. No additional herb, just like plain cream, milk, and then mix and flour to make the rich white cream. Now try this one. The mala. When I microwave this mala one, when I microwave this mala one, the mala is keep coming out and it's very strong. This one, very, very, very spicy. I don't feel the numbiness too much, but it's very towards the spicy side. It's burning your tongue. Remember the spicy fried rice? Exactly the same thing, but you don't feel much numbiness on your tongue. So I would say this is not a typical traditional mala flavor. It's just a spicy. Oh my god, it's just so spicy. So this is the tart, and let me see, open up. We'll see if it tastes as good. Let me see how it smells. I don't know, smells so sugary, but we'll see. It's cold right now, but I'm gonna heat it up a little bit. I'm not gonna do often because it's gonna take a little while. I'm gonna just microwave a couple seconds, probably like 10 seconds would be good enough. But let's see, can I take this out? Okay, I take this out. The cluster looks like a croissant cluster. It's very good if it look closer. A croissant cluster. The egg top with sugar burned. But like Portuguese custard, I don't think this custard is really that obvious stuff. But we'll give it a try. We'll take 4. And then we just microwave for 20 seconds. And we'll be back for this. Again, this is the custard. Looks like a croissant. It's not thin enough. I could not taste too much egg. And this piece right here, this custard here, the edge is very hard. It's probably because microwave as well. I would say that's a really huge difference. $2 versus 50 cents. This is more like a sugary taste instead of cream, instead of egg. You don't taste much egg on there. So I would still prefer the $2 one. You pay for what you're getting for quality. But yeah, not too bad. But I would rather spend the $2 one. So this egg tart, I would not treat as an egg tart. I would think of a cream brulee without this custard, because this is so sweet enough that you don't taste the eggs at all. So if you think of a cream brulee, I think this is how it tastes like to make more sense. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.